Hey friends, I wanted to show you how I did these ATCs on a little bit slower scale. So obviously I'm just taking a 12-inch piece of paper from that book I got at Michael's, cutting it down to our 3.5 by 2.5 size. And I like to do these in batches, so then I'm just going to cut out lots of these little shapes from another page from that scrapbook. I'll speed this part along. Now I'm starting to assemble, so just putting down some strips and some flowers and leaves, all the things. I'm using a glue stick here. You might see me interchange with some decoupage medium, just whatever you have and you like to work with. Doesn't really matter. Just get these down on our paper. I like ordering these little dried flowers from Temu or from Amazon. I've used both. And then you can literally Mod Podge them down. Now use a really gentle touch because they are super, super fragile, but they work just great on these, and I thought it was kind of a neat touch. I'm a little off camera, but I just used a little stamp to place a few little black stamps across the card, and now I'm gluing the rest of the elements on, and it turned out so cute. You can just use whatever you have, napkin pieces, scrapbook paper pieces, these little flowers, something from the yard, whatever you have, it'll be really cute. Now this is how I like to do them, where I just do them in a batch and I kind of go in a row. So you notice I'm putting all 3 stems down, and then I go to the next card and I put all 3 stems down again. If you can get in that habit when you're doing a batch of these, it goes a lot faster. Next is the flowers. We're going to do all of those in a row. Now I'm applying paint to my clear stamp and just stamping that down on the cards. Anywhere I have a little bit of room, I think it adds a really fun pop of color. And then you can just use the scraps that you have left. I really had fun with this. You know, just use what you have, cut it up. You can create ground out of anything, flowers out of anything, cutting out some little butterflies. They're tiny, but y'all, look how cute they turn out. I mean, it really is worth it in the end. So have fun with this. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see yours.